Hello, this is Gradle from Elevate Care Insights, and today we're going to look at speed reading techniques for completing tender and bid applications for your care agency. Tender writing is a critical skill in the procurement process, especially for businesses seeking contracts with UK local government in the health and social care sector. A tender is essentially a format, structured invitation to suppliers to bid to supply products or services. In the context of the UK local government, tenders are typically used for procuring health and social care services, ensuring that such services are provided efficiently and to a high standard. The importance of tender writing cannot be overstated. It's the primary method through which companies can demonstrate their capability, experience and value for money to potential clients, particularly in the public sector. A well-written tender can set a company apart from its competitors, showcasing its strengths and suitability for the contract in question. In the highly competitive health and social care sector, effective tender writing is crucial for securing contracts and sustaining business growth. The tender process in the UK local government for health and social care contracts typically follows a regulated and transparent procedure aligned with public procurement regulations. This process aims to ensure fairness, efficiency and best value for money. So I believe that there are two very important aspects for speed reading tender documents. The first thing is checking the portal before reading the documents, ensuring everything is downloaded from the portal into a file, including what you might think is irrelevant information. Download it all. The second part of speed reading for effective tender writing and bid writing is for you to train yourself on identifying and noting essential information like contract value, delivery length, contract description, contract conditions, deadlines, submission guidance, formatting requirements, and the evaluation criteria. In the context of tender writing, especially for UK local government health and social care contracts, speed reading can be a valuable skill. Here are the top 10 tips for effective speed reading. Understand the structure. Tender documents follow a standardised format. Familiarising yourself with this structure, including sections like the introduction, scope of work, eligibility criteria, and terms and conditions, allow you to anticipate what information comes next and navigate the document more efficiently. Preview the document. Before diving into detailed reading, skim through the document to get an overview. Look at headings, subheadings, executive summaries, and conclusions. This initial overview sets a framework in your mind, helping you to understand the detailed content better. Identify key sections. Certain sections of a tender are more critical than others. Focus your attention on the most important parts, such as the scope of work, eligibility criteria, submission requirements, evaluation criteria and deadlines. Understanding these sections thoroughly ensures you to grasp the core requirements of the tender. This may sound simplistic, but use a pointer. Using a finger or a pen as a guide can help keep your eyes focused and reduce back-skipping rereading of text. This technique can increase reading speed and concentration. Practice reading faster than your inner voice can keep up. Don't keep silently going over words. Encourage your brain to process information more quickly and efficiently. Also train yourself to read blocks of words rather than individual words. This reduces the number of eye movements across the page, allowing for faster reading. With practice, your brain can comprehend more words in a single glance. Highlight important information. As you read, use a highlighter to take notes on key points. This is particularly useful for later when you need to reference specific requirements or details for your tender response. Read in chunks. Train yourself to read in small groups of words or chunks rather than word by word. This helps increase your reading speed and can improve comprehension as you start to see patterns and connections between ideas more clearly. Improve your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary is especially important in understanding the specialised language often used in care and support tenders. The better your vocabulary, the quicker you'll understand complex terms and conditions without having to stop and look up the meanings. The next step is to then utilise the table of contents that came with the main document. Begin by reviewing the table of contents of the tender document to understand its structure and main sections. This helps in anticipating the content and prioritising reading. Then undertake detailed reading using the finger guidance. Use your finger as a guide while reading to maintain a steady pace. This will help you focus and prevent skipping lines. Remember, the goal of reading tender documents is not just to speed read, it's to understand and complete the tender. Once you've broken down the questions, the research that's required, and also gather your essential documents. At this stage, you want to efficiently copy and paste relevant information from your research and your own documents. You need to think about the strategies that will help you quickly transfer information from your gathered resources into the tender documents while ensuring relevancy and accuracy. Remember to save your work regularly. Think about file management and backup strategies. Understanding the tender process and mastering the art of tender writing are essential for businesses looking to engage in contracts with UK local government in health and social care. It requires clear, persuasive writing, a deep understanding of the sector's requirements, and the ability to present a compelling case that aligns with the evaluation criteria set out in the tender documents. You can do this if you think about understanding the structure, previewing your documents, identifying key sections, using a pointer, reading in chunks, increasing your vocabulary. Remember, while speed is important, comprehension is key in tender writing to ensure all requirements are understood and addressed accurately in your response. As always, please do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also comment below if you've written tenders or if you would like more information about tender writing.